How to sign out of your OneDrive account. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily sign out or log out from your OneDrive. So for that, you first need to have your OneDrive on your phone. If you don't have this, you can download it from Play Store. Once you have done that, just open your OneDrive. But before we begin, make sure you hit the like button on the video and subscribe to the channel. It would help us out a lot. So let's get to the next step. What you want to do from here is at the bottom, you can see different tabs like Files, Shared, Photos, and Me. You just want to tap on this profile icon that says Me. And from here, you simply want to tap on Sign Out. And it will ask you for your confirmation. If you want to sign out of your personal OneDrive account, you just have to tap on OK, and you should be signed out of your OneDrive account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and also turn on post notification for future updates. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.